into the seas without disruption of the Gulf of Aden. What's on the table here, if you can share where we are today with global recognition for statehood?
Well, regarding the current situation of the whole world, Somaliland is located in a very strategic location. It has 850 kilometers of seashore in the Gulf of Aden. Somaliland, Berbera, the border port and the airport has been used previously during the Cold War. One is by Russians and one is by Americans. So you can understand the strategic location of Berbera. And Somaliland, as a country, has become independent on 26 June 1960. But unfortunately, it has chosen to give up its sovereignty to find Greater Somalia and join it with Somalia, who got its independence 5 days later, on 1st July 1960. And again, Somaliland has regained or reclaimed its independence on 18 May 1991. But until 1991, it has not been recognized officially by most of the countries, but all the countries in the world have been dealing with Somaliland as a separate entity. Somaliland is a country, is a democratic nation, which holds elections and gives a transfer of power in a democratic way.
Yeah, peaceful transition, actually.
Yes.
I was asking something. We have limited time. What's going to be the result of this recognition by President Trump? Does it jumpstart global official recognition as a country, in your view, sir?
Regarding our democratic administrative system, we are expecting everywhere from the international community. We have all good relations with the United States, with Great Britain and other countries, but now we hope that the United States may be the first country to recognize Somaliland.